Hello everyone, this is a tutorial for integrating with Cursor and Claude desktop app, our new MCP server. This is the public repository where in README you have all the configuration steps you needed. So first of all, let's clone the repository. You can do this in every directory you want. Okay, and go into the clone directory. Now we are going to install the dependencies. Good, and you can see here one critical severity vulnerability. You don't need to worry about that, but you can also do an audit fix. And for now, we are going to build it. Okay. And now everything is done here. We can check in the README and we need to open Claude Desktop. After this, we go to Settings, Developer, Edit Configuration, open the configuration file. For the sake of this tutorial, we are going to copy and paste it from scratch, and we need the absolute path. We go here, we print the current working directory and paste it right here. Okay, the base is already configured and we need the API key. For that, we go to MeetGeek app.meetgeek.ia, go to integrations, public API, and generate a new key. For now, copy it, go to the configuration file, paste the key, save it, and then close the Claude desktop app. Reopen it, and now if I want to list all my meetings, I can just ask for it. All right, and for Cursor, we open it, go to Settings, Cursor Settings, search for MCP. Okay, add a new MCP server, connect a new MCP server, delete everything we have if you don't have already MCP servers, copy from the README, and then we are going to copy, as for Claude, the current working directory. Okay, and MeetGeek API key. As usual, we go here, copy the key and paste it. And for now, we are going to close the cursor and open it again. And we can see here, if we asked for all our meetings, list all my meetings, it usually asks for permission, but after that you are good to go. You can see here that it handles it very well. Okay, tell me all meetings along with IDs. So that's it. That's the tutorial. I hope it is very well what you have to do, and bye bye.